Hey everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a long time since a video has been put out, so I figured I started cleaning this cast iron and thought I should make a video since we haven't had anything on YouTube. So I picked up some cast iron at an auction, and this is one of the pieces. It was a lot rustier than what you see right now. What I did was I soaked it in cleaning vinegar overnight, and then used a Scotch Brite pad. Wiped it down to get it to this position. And so now we're going to go ahead and do a video of cleaning it with the laser, and we'll see how it comes out. Once it's finished, I'll end up putting a light coat of avocado oil on it, putting it on the heat, and then we'll see more pictures of that final product. So let's go ahead and get into it, see how it goes. Once you get it down to the light rust like it is right now, it comes off real nice. All right, let's take a closer look and see how it looks so far. Makes a huge difference having it sit in the vinegar bath. Gets most of the rust off, and it just leaves a coating. I believe the coating's probably a little bit of rust, plus maybe some of the leftover vinegar. I did use clean water and a Scotch Brite pad to try and get all the residual vinegar off of it. That's what it looks like so far. Let's get the bottom part of it, and then we'll see some pictures of the finished product. So there you have it. Came out looking very nice. It'll look a lot better once we get a little bit of oil on it, put it under the heat, and get a little bit of seasoning on it. All right, so here's the tea kettle after one light coat of avocado oil and then baking it for about 40 minutes. Still pretty gray in color. Obviously, the more coats of seasoning you put on it, the darker it'll get. I just wanted to get one seasoning coat on it so that we wouldn't have any rust come back. That way it has a little bit of protection on it. But there you go. That's what it looks like after one coat of seasoning. I'll probably put a couple, three more on there, at least, possibly 5. But that's how it came out. Take care.